Have you ever wanted to start a website but gave up because you thought coding was too hard? Well, here's the good news. You don't need to be a programmer anymore. With the power of AI, anyone can build a professional WordPress website in just a few hours. And yes, that website can become a real source of income. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a WordPress website using AI, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your own website and different ways to make money from it. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Why WordPress? If you're serious about making money online, WordPress is one of the best places to start. Millions of websites around the world use WordPress because it's flexible, beginner-friendly, and works for almost any type of website, whether it's a blog, an online store, a business website, or a portfolio. The best part? You don't need to write a single line of code. Step 2. Let AI do the hard work. This is where things get exciting. Instead of spending hours trying to figure everything out yourself, AI can help you in just a few minutes. You can ask AI to generate website ideas, write blog posts, create your homepage, improve your SEO, write product descriptions, and even design logos and images. Think of AI as your personal assistant that works 24 hours a day. Step 3. Build your website. Now it's time to create your website. First, choose a domain name that's easy to remember. Next, get reliable web hosting and install WordPress. After that, pick a clean and fast theme that matches your website's style. Now let AI help you create your homepage, about page, contact page, and your first few blog posts. Finally, install only the plugins you really need, such as an SEO plugin, a security plugin, and a backup plugin. Before you publish your website, check that everything looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. That's it. Your website is now live. Step 4. Start making money now for the exciting part. There are many ways to earn money from your website. You can display Google AdSense ads, promote products through affiliate marketing, sell digital products like ebooks or courses, offer your own services, or work with brands through sponsored content. Remember, you don't have to do everything at once. Start with one method, learn how it works, and grow from there. Step 5. Avoid these common mistakes. Many beginners think they'll make money in a few days. In reality, successful websites take time. Focus on creating helpful content that solves real problems. Keep learning basic SEO. Publish new content consistently, and most importantly, don't give up too soon. Every successful website started with 0 visitors. Conclusion: building a WordPress website with AI is no longer something only experts can do. Today, anyone with an internet connection and the willingness to learn can build a professional website and create opportunities to earn online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments, what type of website are you planning to build with AI? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in